Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. So the Claude 3.5 Sonnet is here. Okay, so let us see a live demo quickly. That is first impressions. So here is the official website, claude.ai. When you'll go to the official website, below you can see Claude 3.5 Sonnet is visible and you can learn more about it here. I'll directly go to the 3.5, that is, I'll go to learn more. I clicked on learn more and here it is. Okay, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Obviously, it is better than the previous versions of Claude. Here you can check. With that, it is also considered better than the GPT-4o. Okay, so the GPT-4o tutorial link is also mentioned in the video description. You can check later. Okay, now let us click here, try 3.5 Sonnet. The same link is visible. Let's say I'll log in now, continue with email. Now go to your email ID. So you will get the following secure link. Click on it. So add your phone number also. Yes, I confirm. Click send verification code. Now enter the verification code you must have received on your phone. That's it, verify and create account. Now it will create our account. Let's say I'll click on for personal use, basic version, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Okay, let me add my name, Amit Diwan. Call me Amit, okay, send. Okay, acknowledge and continue. Okay, I can read this later. It may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information. I'm going for the free version. Let's begin. Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Here it is. Here is our account. You can click on feature preview, the new feature. You can also change the appearance to dark. Okay, and this is the free plan. Here are some suggested prompts. You can directly use it to get product descriptions or solve complex equations. So this is the new feature, Artifacts. Okay, you can directly click here. I selected feature preview. Here it is. If you want a code, the code will be visible here. The code snippets, website design and others. I'll click on. That's it. Close. Now it is on, you can see. Okay, so let's type our first code. I'll just ask, how's the weather today in Delhi, India? Now I'll just click this. Let's see whether it is visible or not. Okay, so it is still not having access to real-time information for the free version. Now let us write an article. I'll also use storytelling in it. Okay, write an article on AI is a threat or a blessing. Use storytelling. Let's see. So this was the artifacts which I have just enabled, a new feature in Claude AI. So it is giving some great content for our article with a conclusion also. Okay, so this is the actual content and here is what the chatbot is conveying to us. I have created an article that explores the question of whether AI is a threat or a blessing using storytelling. Okay, we can also move further with this so that we can continue with the conversation. Okay, Now let us upload an image from here and we will ask what is this image about. I kept my cursor here, upload docs or images, maximum 530 MB each. I'll click. Okay, now let's say I'll select this. I'll click open. I have asked a simple question, what is this image about? Just to check. Let's see. Okay, so it has explained it completely. It is a MacBook laptop with an Apple on the right, camera lens cap maybe just above your mobile phone, cell phone, and other details. Okay, now I'll upload again. Okay, so I'll upload a chart and let's say open, and I'll type now what is this chart about. So this will display the vision feature of Claude AI. Let's see. Okay, the chart is a bar graph that represents the scores of different students. Perfect. Okay, student score is represented by a blue bar and these are the name of the students. Okay, which is fine. This type of chart is commonly used in educational settings. Now let us upload a PDF. Wait, I'll just close this. Now just upload a PDF to summarize it. Okay, we will generate some key insights. This is the PDF, let's say. Okay, let's say what it is having. I'll directly summarize it without opening. Okay, summarize the PDF, generate some key points. That's it. Let's see. Okay, so it is showing us the summary in point structure because we have mentioned it. Okay, this summary covers the main points regarding cloud security principles. Okay, so now we have 3 messages remaining until 12 a.m. So this is the limitation, just like GPT-4o. So I guess still for free versions, Copilot and Gemini are better. Now let us use SVG. Let us create a new chat from here. Start new chat. Create a rectangle filled with small circles using SVG. Here is the code now. And it has generated us. Okay. The code is visible here. You can toggle. So this is the new artifacts feature. Okay. Now let us try one more. I'll close this. Okay, create a red circle that starts with the radius 20. So this is like animation. And after 2 seconds, the radius will change to 40 using SVG. Let's see. The code is here. And after 2 seconds, it should, okay, it expanded. So we have created the animation. The code is here and the preview is here. From here, you can download the file. Here it is, your SVG. Okay. Okay, and you can zoom from here, or you can also copy the content. You can also report it to Claude that the result is positive or negative. So such feedbacks really help. So guys, we saw how we can easily get some live demo of Claude AI. You can see that the free version is quite limited. If you still don't want such errors, you can go to new chat and click here, but your messages are still limited. Guys, if you want all such features related to image generation, analyzing PDFs, Excel files, Word documents, okay, then you can easily refer the free versions of Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot. You can refer the links in the description of this video to get the free tutorials in English as well as Hindi language. Do subscribe to our channel. for more AI related stuff. Thank you for watching the video.